Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up diving gear. First, let's begin with your Buoyancy Compensator Device, or BCD. Carefully slide the BCD onto your scuba tank, ensuring the tank valve opening faces the BCD's connection point. Once aligned, firmly tighten the BCD strap around the tank. This crucial step ensures your BCD is securely mounted and ready for the next components. A stable BCD is fundamental for a safe and enjoyable dive experience, providing proper support and control underwater. Next, we connect the regulator, which delivers air from your tank. Take the first stage regulator and carefully screw it onto the tank valve opening. Hand tighten it until it feels snug and secure, but avoid over-tightening. Once connected, slowly open the tank valve all the way, listening carefully for any hissing sounds that might indicate a leak. A proper seal is essential for maintaining your air supply throughout the dive, ensuring a safe and uninterrupted experience underwater. Now, let's connect the remaining hoses and gauges. Attach the low-pressure inflator hose to your BCD's inflator mechanism, which allows you to control buoyancy. Then, connect your alternate air source, often called an octopus, and your submersible pressure gauge to the first stage. Ensure all hoses are routed neatly and comfortably, preventing any snagging or entanglement during your dive. Proper hose management enhances safety and streamlines your gear, making your dive more enjoyable and less cumbersome. Finally, and most importantly, conduct a comprehensive pre-dive safety check. This involves a buddy check, where you and your dive partner confirm each other's gear is correctly assembled and functioning. Verify your air supply, ensuring the tank is full, and test your BCD for proper inflation and deflation. Check both your primary and alternate regulators for smooth air delivery. Lastly, confirm your weights are properly distributed and securely fastened. This meticulous check ensures everyone's safety and readiness for an incredible underwater adventure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.